Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up OneDrive Sync on a Windows PC and manage your sync settings effectively. Let's go a bit deeper and talk about how to manage your sync preferences. To adjust which folders are syncing, click the OneDrive icon in your system tray and click Gear icon. Now click on Setting. Go to the Account tab. Then click Choose Folders. From here, you can update your selection, add or remove folders to keep your sync lean and efficient. Need to pause syncing temporarily? Maybe your internet is slow, or you're saving bandwidth. Click the OneDrive icon in your system tray and click Gear icon, choose Pause Syncing, and select the duration 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. You can resume syncing at any time using the same method. You can also quit OneDrive from the same place. To check the sync status, click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. You'll see a small status symbol. A green check means every folder is synced. If you're using OneDrive on a mobile phone, you can also manage some basic sync settings there. To automatically upload your photos and videos, on the main screen click on Photos, and if camera backup is off, turn it on. Also, inside the app settings, you can check your storage usage and manage it by deleting unneeded files or upgrading your plan if necessary.